Hello guys, so we're in the process of solving the 4x4x4 Rubik's Cube. So far we've created the white center, the yellow center, the blue center, all the other centers. We paired the edges, the last edge, and we reduced it to a 3x3. So one of the possible parities that you can come across is possibly getting a cross, but it only has 3 edges as opposed to 4. So this video is really quick. Whenever you see this parity, all you simply do is just go ahead and move on, because in another video I'm gonna show you how to undo this, how to basically counter this parity. But for now, whenever you see this unfinished cross, go ahead and treat this as pretend the green's right here and pretend the yellow's right here, and just continue solving the cube. Just continue solving the cube, just pretending that these are switched with each other until you get to the last step. And when you get to the last step, in another one of my videos, I show you how to solve the edge parity. But just get to the last step, and in the last step you solve for it. All right, thank you guys, appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.